Hey Snapchat enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of changing your Bitmoji's outfits in Snapchat. So, if you're looking to give your Bitmoji a fresh new look, stick around for this full guide. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Step 2. On your profile page, look for the gear icon in the top right corner. Tap on it to access the settings menu. Step 3. Within the settings menu, locate and tap on Bitmoji. This will open the Bitmoji customization options. Step 4. Now, look for the option that says Change My Outfit and tap on it. This will allow you to make the necessary changes to your Bitmoji's outfit. Feel free to explore the various outfit options available and select the one that best suits your style and mood. By following these simple steps, you can easily change your Bitmoji's outfits in Snapchat, giving your virtual avatar a fresh and personalized look. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.